Jerry Bielefeld for Workwear Safety Shoes. Today I want to talk to you about Buck Wild. This is our new cleaner for suede and nubuck. We carry other cleaners for leather, which is great, but for suede and nubuck, if you put these cleaners on suede or nubuck, it's going to flatten it out. So this one is made to not flatten out your suede. What you want to do, shake up the bottle. You're going to spray it on the boot. You can take a brush, or our cap comes with a brush already in it, and just work in a circular motion, and this will get all that dirt and grime off of your boot. You want to let this dry, then you want to clean this so that you don't have any excess dirt on it, and then after this is dry, go back over it again and it'll bring your suede back to life, so you won't have flat suede or nubuck on your boot.